of it. If you want to trim it, the first option is trim. It's split trim. I can't remember. You can shorten it by making it how to sure. Please remember to be very careful if you're using music with copyrights. You can get your videos taken down straight away if you don't have the right copyrights for. The next tool is the speed tool, which allows you to decide how fast or slow it goes. So you can make it. You can make it slower. You can make it faster. I'm just saying the same thing. The next tool in your menu is your menu. What's that? The next is the speed. The next is the speed tool, which allows you to slow your clip or make it faster. It allows you to then you have the sound tool, which allows you to mute a clip or tone the there's one last tool that's filters. Ah, mierda. To import music or sound to your video, you click on the add button and then go to music. You will have to have the music imported already to your phone. Once you have the clip on your film, you can decide the length, you can mute it, or you can fade the music. You can also once you finish your video, you click on, I know, for example, I get fidgety, so I normally have a pen or something in my hand so I don't play